Welcome to PreMath. In this video tutorial, we are going to simplify this given exponential expression as you can see over here. And here's our problem right now. 7 power square root of 7 divided by 343, and everything is raised to the power square root of 7 plus 3. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's focus on this denominator part only, 343. And we know that 343 could be written as 7 power 3. So therefore this expression is going to become simply 7 power square root of 7. We are just going to leave it alone, divided by this is going to become 7 power 3, and then everything power square root of 7 and then plus 3. And now let's focus on this fraction inside this bracket, and we are going to use this quotient rule. So we can write out this problem as 7 power square root of 7 and then minus 3, because when we move this exponent on the top, we have to subtract it, and then power square root of 7 plus 3. And now we can see these nested exponents, so we are going to use this power rule. So therefore we can write this thing 7 power, we are going to multiply these two exponents. I can write as square root of 7 minus 3 times square root of 7 plus 3. Now let's focus on this exponent part only. I have just copied down over here. Here we can see we have these two factors, that is the product of the difference and the sum. So therefore we are going to use this well-known formula. So in this case I'm going to call this our A, this is our B, likewise this is our A and this is our B. Then this could be written as, by using this formula, square root of 7 and then square minus then 3 and then square. Now we can see that this square and square root, they undo each other. We ended up with this simply 7 minus 3 square is 9. So that is simply going to give us negative 2. So let's revert back to our original problem. So this could be written as 7 power, this whole thing I'm going to replace it by negative 2. I can write power negative 2. Now this would be written as, to make it a positive exponent, I can write 1 over 7 power 2. And we know that 7 power 2 is simply 49, so this could be written as 1 over 49 as our simplified answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.